Hello everyone and welcome to a new BLOOCK tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get started using BLOOCK, and for that all you need to do is go to our main webpage at blook.com and just click on the login button on the top side. Afterwards just log into our dashboard. Make sure before of that to just sign up. So right now I'm gonna log in using my account, mark at blook.com, and my password. And after of that, all you need to do is go to the API keys page on the left side, and afterwards just create a new API key. For that, just give it a name. For this video, I'm going to show it like a demo video, for example. You can say it whatever you want. Just set an expiration date, which will be the date that this API key will expire, and just set some scopes. Afterwards, just create a new API key. Make sure to copy it. Save it anywhere and just click continue to finish the page. Make sure, take into account that these API keys are just for our test environment. If you want to transact to a public blockchain like Ethereum, you need to subscribe to one of our plans and set a new API key on the bottom page. After that, just go to your code using one of our SDKs and just set up a new client. For that, we're gonna call it like new BLOOCK client and just set the API key that we covered earlier right here. So that's all you need to do to get started with BLOOCK. With that, you will be able now to send some records and to verify them afterwards. So thanks for watching. Make sure to follow us on LinkedIn and on Twitter. Make sure to check our webpage and see you soon.